Hello, and welcome to Dual Credit History 111, or U.S. History A. Okay, this is a brand new project that is the History 111 Common Assessment from CWI. And I'm actually super, super excited about this because I feel like it's a great common assessment. Um, so it says that it wants you to write a 2 to 3 page paper on the following document, Washington's Farewell Address. And so 2 to 3 pages, double spaced, is like 800 words ish. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for here. Okay, so what I want you to do is you will provide a textual analysis of the document by answering the five given questions. Your response to the questions should demonstrate your knowledge, your understanding of the document and of early U.S. history. Be sure to answer each question completely before moving on. Use quotes and evidence from the primary document to support your answers. You will cite your quotes using the line numbers provided. Okay, so I'll show you what this means in just a second. All right. So, first of all, describe the context of this speech. What is going on in the U.S. and in the world? What is Washington responding to in this address? Why, at a specific time, is the address given? Okay, so this is just as he's finishing his career as the President of the United States. Okay, he's done 2 terms as the President of the United States, and he has decided that he's going to be done. All right, which is something that obviously had never been done before, right? Okay, and so he's kind of giving, he's kind of giving his farewell address, or kind of what I think you should do from here on out. Okay, explain the specific warnings and advice Washington gives to the American people in this address. There's a lot of them, and they're very interesting to look at, and I'm not going to spoil them. Um, but there's a lot of warnings and a lot of things that he says about how life is, okay, and how life is going to be in the United States, and what we should do about it. Connect Washington's farewell address to one political event from 1800 to 1836. How does the advice and warnings Washington give support or oppose this event? Be specific in your explanation of the event and in your explanation of the connection to the address. Okay, so 1800 to 1836, that's kind of while Thomas Jefferson was president. That's leading up to the Civil War, but not really there yet. Not really to abolition yet. So War of 1812. There's a lot going on, and in that period right there. Okay, so think back on this class and think back to between 1800 and 1836 and what all was going on, and make sure that you choose one event and tell what Washington's farewell address had to do with that. Okay, and then connect Washington's farewell address to one event from 1837 to 1865. Okay, so that includes the Civil War, abolition, Civil War, all of that kind of stuff. How does the advice and warnings Washington gives support or oppose the event? Be specific in your explanation of the event and the connection to the address. Okay, and then apply Washington's farewell address to today. Where do you see its advice and warnings in action? Where is it ignored and forgotten? What can we learn from the address? Okay, So, super interesting. I know that you'll be able to write at least 800 words about this. And you really probably won't need to have any other sources besides this one. So, this is kind of a document based question right here, okay? So, as you can see, each line is numbered, and so you can just when you use a quote from this, don't make it too long, okay? But when you use a small quote from this, go ahead and say which line it's from, okay? And I am excited to see what you come up with, and I'm excited to read your responses. Once again, this is going to be in the projects, okay? So that you get more credit for it, right? Anyway, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will talk to you later. Bye.